Wow, that's very lifelike.
Hey, Chuck, we're putting together a team. Come on, everybody, let's work those booties. I'm in. We gotta figure out a way to get into that room. Anyone have any bright ideas? You were gonna pay for that!
Oh, I'm sorry. You were saying? Drinks on me, guys! Last one to the beach is rotten egg!
Let's go!
Pardon me, excuse me!
Oh, what?
Again? Launch me exactly the same way you did for Red! I wasn't ready!
Chuck, is that you?
This is the House of Horrors!
Huh? Hey, Jerry!
Yeah?
Come here. Look at this.
What's up? Says everything's normal.
Jerry, are you seeing this?
I don't see anything.
Hey, Chuck, it's Red. Zip on down here.
Hey, Chuck's mom, can your son come out to play?
All of this does not just happen on its own.
Pretend to be